Hello YouTube friends. I want to say hello to all my friends in YouTube world. I got lucky today. I'm in the little town of Lewisburg, Ohio. And they're open today. I asked them if I could make a video, and they said it would be perfectly okay. So let's go inside. And see what's inside this old blacksmith shop. If it's not too dark in here.
It probably took 2 or 3 people to do it.
They were all just like big tall. They were 6 foot tall.
Well,
With maybe.
yeah, well, I think they do make that. They do have that. I think this right here was, well, you want to move it just a little bit. Just turn it over or whatever. They probably had one fit in the back and one fit in the front. I just try to make sure. See you later, Phil. Okay, take care. Thanks for stopping. Okay.
Good to see you.
Good seeing you. You got your stool in your car? Yeah, it's over in the corner. Oh, okay. All right. All right. I'll see you. Sure. Take care. Junk here.
Isn't this just the coolest thing that you've ever seen? This is an old military forge that they took in the field long ago.
Machine shop.
Used to be an old coal forge.
Yeah.
Now it's a gas forge.
Well, actually, I left the firebox so you can see it.
Okay. All right. Yeah.
So this shop is the oldest existing shop in the country.
Okay.
So I left the firebox there so people can see what it looked like.
Okay. Yeah. And your name, may I ask?
First name is Phil. Last name is Francis.
Okay. Thank you, Phil.
That's all right. I appreciate you stopping by.
Yeah.
Stay as long as you want.
All right.
This place has stories all over the place. There's some drawers we hadn't even looked in yet.
Yeah. And I do have a question. I can't remember what they call that.
A cone.
A cone.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Spread things out.
Okay. Very good. And this is actually 360 pounds?
That's right.
Okay. Very good.
And it was found, it's one of the only things we wouldn't have to get from here. It was found in a field outside of town.
Okay.
By a scrap guy.
Okay.
And he knew we needed an anvil, So he made the stump for it and brought it down here.
All right. Let me get over here. Show you the gas forge here. That's the old forge, and it went
Yep.
up through the chimney, an old coal forge.
Yes.
That was back,
It started in 1895,
okay,
closed down in 1932,
okay,
and it was closed until me and Joe walked in here 5 years ago,
all right,
and nobody messed with it for all that time.
yeah,
And that right there is the old blacksmith's apron that he hung on the wall when he left in 1932.
there's the old, an old apron that was actually used in here.
Yeah, 1932. A lot of the things that he made.
Look here, what a quench tank, my goodness.
Yeah, it was. But it kind of leaks a little bit now, so since we don't keep water in it.
Okay. I don't know how well you can see but this is just the coolest thing.
There's a nice sign up there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it says all terms cash. And that was hanging up here for the longest time.
All terms cash. I like that.
And they shoot horses, and their stable was across over there in that building.
Okay.
So the people would bring their horses into the community. They'd stall them over there, and as he could get them, he'd go over and get them as they went shopping downtown.
Okay.
Bring them over here and put shoes on them or whatever else.
Most interesting.
And he lived next door in this house.
Okay.
So,
Phil, right?
huh?
Phil?
Phil.
Phil, I appreciate you.
That's
Let
all right.
me make the video for my friends here.
No problem.
And
You gonna put it on YouTube?
I may put this on YouTube.
All right, we'll be looking for it.
All right, man. Thank you. Thank you a lot.
Take care now.
And that's okay.